do something fun. Really fun. Come on, Hannah. It's not falling down. Come on, Hannah. Hannah!
Hannah, go up there and jump with your sister. Okay, jump, Sarah. How far out can you jump?
What?
Can you push it out and jump a little farther?
Yeah. Do you think I can go that far? Wait. That means I have to go farther. Let's see. This is a little bit farther. Yes! Uh-oh. I'm getting close to outer space. Oh, this is really far. Do you think I can jump this far, Daddy? Ah! I'm getting close to outer space. This is really far. Further back. Do you think I can do that?
I don't know. Are you okay, Sarah?
Ow! Let me take a rest for a minute. I'm getting close to outer space.